When you hurt someone deeply, a simple sorry is never enough. Healing requires more than words. It requires action, honesty, and heart. An apology without change is just manipulation. If you hurt someone deeply, don't rush to say sorry first. Understand the pain you caused. People don't want to hear your excuses. They want to see your efforts. When you hurt someone, when silence won't fix it, courage will. The best apology is changed behavior. Saying, "Gopal, I'm sorry," is step 1, showing you're sorry is step 2. True forgiveness begins when you take responsibility, without blaming circumstances. When someone is hurt, they don't need your words, they need your patience. If you broke their trust, rebuild it slowly, brick by brick. Don't expect them to forgive you quickly. Healing takes time. People forgive when they feel understood, not when they feel ignored. The deepest wounds heal when you show up differently. Your apology is not about you, it's about their pain. Healing requires listening more than talking. Don't say, "I didn't mean it." Say, "I'll make sure it never happens again." If you truly care, prove it with your consistency. Sometimes the person you hurt only needs to see that you value their feelings. Stop defending yourself. Start mending yourself. You can't erase the past, but you can shape the future. A real apology doesn't come with expectations, it comes with humility. Never force forgiveness and earn it with respect. If they are still silent, give them space. Love isn't rushed. Remember, every hurt teaches you to love more carefully. In the end, the strongest apology is living in a way that proves you've not changed. Never underestimate the power of a sincere apology, not through words alone, but through actions. Because in the end, love is not proven by what you say, but by how you change. When you hurt someone, remember that their pain is real, even if your intentions were not bad. The damage caused by one moment can sometimes take months to repair. Trust is like glass. Once broken, it can be repaired, but the cracks are never completely invisible. The strongest people are not those who never make mistakes, and they are the ones who admit them. Sometimes the person you hurt is fighting a battle you know nothing about. Be gentle with their healing. Don't ask, "Why are they still upset?" Ask, "Have I done enough to make things right?" Words can open a wound, but actions can help close it. Every meaningful apology includes accountability. Growth begins the moment excuses end. Real change speaks louder than the most beautiful apology. Sometimes rebuilding trust means doing the right thing, even when nobody is watching. Kindness after a mistake is not weakness, it is responsibility. The heart heals faster when it feels respected. Never underestimate the value of honesty, humility, and consistency. At the end of the day, people may forget your words, but they will always remember your actions. If you found strength in these words, make sure to subscribe to Quotes Lab, because your peace, confidence, and self-respect deserve protection.